Whoa. Look at that. It's a ginormous cliff. I'm gonna try to climb. Ooh. I can't get up. Maybe if I go tell Red, he might help me. Why are you taking me? Can you help me climb up this ginormous hill? Sure. Ow. Stand on my head. See if that's enough. You crushed my head. Ugh. Oh no. Red wasn't no help. Maybe I can fly. No. Fly. No. Oh my god. I just got the best idea. It might work. Ow. Thought a running start would work. Maybe. I know. Slingshot power away! Slingshot was no help. I wish I can get up here. Try to. Wait, I know. I'm on top of a hill. Yeah. Not working. Maybe bungee jump. But from the ground. I'm close. I did it. That's it. I'm done. I got an idea. Spring shoes, go. Yeah, I'm done. I'm just going in this deep dark cave where no one could see me. Oh, I'm out.